Be yourself. I'm always telling you to be yourself all the time. I know it might be easier to conform, and it's okay that you might want to follow your friends, but just remember that you don't have to. Hello, Pocket Theory. It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. You happen to catch me in the middle of my daily devotional. I know some people read the Bible every day, but me, I read The Keys by DJ Khaled. It provides me with the necessary inspiration and direction that I need to live my best life. Perhaps you should check it out yourself. We're talking today about keys. Many people carry keys, and therefore many people also carry keychains. I'm sure there are people that don't carry keys. There's got to be keyless people, right? Oh, but we're not just talking about keychains. We're talking today about kits. No, not that kind of kit. Well, you're getting closer, but no, EDC kits. EDC kits on a keychain. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. If you're an EDC person who puts together different kits, there are 100 different reasons why you might decide you want to travel light. You may already have an option put together for when you're traveling lightly. This is a step beyond traveling lightly. This is grab and go. That's the kind of option that I'm talking about right now. A grab and go keychain kit. Let's say you're woken up in the middle of the night. You need to get out of your house quickly. Maybe you're just running up to the store to get a Slurpee, the gas station to fill up your gas tank. Maybe your wife sent you to the grocery store to get some ingredients that she forgot. Maybe you're just going to smoke a blunt with your buddy up the block and you don't want to leave the house without some EDC options. I don't give a shit. The point is, you might want to consider getting a kit on a keychain. Weather the storm. They never said weathering the storm was easy. It's gonna rain some. It's always gonna rain some. Another one. Quick recap. My level 1 EDC is my phone, my wallet, my watch, and my keys. And if I'm driving, a car fob on a waist clip. Level 2 recap is my EDC pouch. In that I carry a pocket knife. I carry a pen. And I carry a flashlight. The pouch itself is also a backup wallet. So a keychain kit is gonna have to match all of these options. Boom, backup wallet. Boom, pocket knife. Boom, flashlight. And boom, pen. Believe in the hustle. When I say let's win more, I mean we. Just like we the best. Another one. That is a titanium keyring from CountyComm. And this is an S-Biner and a microlink from Nite Ize. This little item is a clip and carry from a company called Swisslink. It fits any standard size Swiss Army knife. Why do they call it a clip and carry? 'Cause you clip it in and you carry it with you. Time out! Let's take a moment to talk about keychain pens. We've always got the OG option, the little Sharpie Mini. It comes on a little thing that you can pop off and now you've got access to a Sharpie. You've also got options like this little job you can get from CountyComm. It's very lightweight and plastic. It pops open. You stick it in that end. Now you got a full-size pen. You don't have to spend a lot of money. These little guys are on Amazon. You can get them in multi-packs for like $5-6. They've got a little ridge in here that pops, it keeps the cap on. And then you've got another cool option like this guy from Amazon. This is a nano pen. It's got a very satisfying when you pop it out, and then there's a magnet in here, so when you pop it back in, it clicks it back into position. Another option from CountyComm is this little miniature embassy pen. It unscrews like this, and then you can write, screws right back in. Lightweight because it's titanium and also pretty heavy duty. And then for all of you Rollerball pen fans out there, this is the only Rollerball keychain pen I was able to find. You pop it off similar to the Sharpie Mini and then give it a little tug and boom, your Rollerball comes out that end. All very cool options, but when it came down to which keychain pen I was going to use on my EDC Keychain Kit, I settled on the Nite Ize Inka. Choose your own wins. Your special cloth and you're breaking down doors being yourself. So the next major key is to choose your own wins. Another one. The Nite Ize Inka is a pretty phenomenal little keychain pen. First of all, it's inexpensive and easy to find on Amazon. Second of all, very well constructed. This is solid. You cannot bend this plastic. It's got a little cap for the pen, so it keeps that end protected, but it's also got a built-in stylus. Now, if I'm going to Whataburger to get a patty melt, I don't want to touch my phone with my greasy fingers. Built-in stylus might come in handy, but the feature that really puts me over the edge on this pen, the built-in carabiner. I love a built-in carabiner. If you haven't seen these little Olight iMini 2s, they're great. You just pull them off and they start working. Now, if you're talking about a true grab-and-go option, you're going to want to make sure that you have a house key on your kit. If you're driving, you're going to want to make sure you have your car key fob. If you want to level up slightly, you could add a utility ring with a Leatherman Style PS or other similar multi-tool, a pry bar and bit driver like this one from EDT Hex, and of course, a BIC Mini. To put it all together, you could just use a carabiner, but you know, I think I've got a better idea. I'm gonna use my Timex clip watch. Why? Because it's fucking badass. Look at it. Glorify your own success. I told you that everything that's happening right now, I believed into existence. Another one. So how do you carry all this shit? Well, you could just put it in your pocket. You can clip it to your waist with a waist clip, or you can get really fancy with one of these Alpaka HUB magnetic fidlocks. Wow, that's kind of friggin' cool. Win, win, win no matter what. All my life I've had to rip down doors, break out of boxes, fight for what's mine, never surrender, and that's never gonna stop. You know what else is never gonna stop, Pocket Theory? My desire to have a solid grab-and-go EDC Keychain Kit option. But just remember, when you're building a grab-and-go option, that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice any of the things that you would normally carry. Just think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC.
And another one.
This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.